Okay, this is the Sandbox Paint app. Come for your phone. It's like the old paint by numbers, but this one's digital. There we are. Let's see. There's the app on the phone right there. Click it, it'll load it. You can see some of them I've already painted, so we'll go through them. That's what you do is you open one, then you enlarge it, where you can see the numbers, and the numbers correspond to colors. See how no one's highlighted? Click on 2 and it highlights all the 2s. And you just paint them in. Show you some I've already done here. This looks like some kind of a little sucker. It's been painted, so you click this and it'll show you how I painted it. It follows all the numbers as I painted them. There we have the first one. Looks like a sucker with a bow around it. Let's find another one I painted. Here's one. Looks like some kind of a multicolored heart. Click the button. Shows you how I painted it. Number 2s, 3s, 4s. There you have it. It's done. There's a little dragon I painted. He's cute, isn't he? Long-nosed green dragon. See it painting it? There he is. Let's find another one. There's a whole bunch of them here. There's one we painted. This is pencils in a cup or something. There they are. Oh, they jumped. They jumped again. Let's find another one we painted here. Let's see. There we go, a radio. And it's painting it. I think that's number 2s. 3s. The old paint by numbers like we had when we was kids and our mother took away from me because I got paint all over the table and floor. Yep, this is digital, no mess. Oh, look at there, it's playing music. There's another one, looks like a strawberry. Ones. Maybe 2s. Each number is a different color. 3s. There we have a strawberry. Let's find another one. Watermelon, alright. These are a lot of fun. This app is free, so go to the PlayStation and download it. Play Store, excuse me. There's your watermelon. I think that's all of them we've done so far. There's a lot of pictures here you can do. Okay, let's go back to the phone. We'll get out of the game here. There we are. Hope you had a lot of fun. Get the game, it's fun.